Think you've got what it takes to keep the Army National Guard running? Then step into the world of the 91C Utilities Equipment Repair and be the power behind the mission.
If the equipment's down, you're not mission capable. So you have to be mission capable, so that's where we jump in. We get things fixed, so that way the mission can be completed.
As a 91C, you'll learn how to repair and maintain the critical systems that keep missions moving, no matter the environment. You'll work with heating and cooling systems, diesel-powered generators, electrical systems. Whether it's a mobile command center in the desert or barracks in a winter storm, if it powers up or keeps troops comfortable, you're the one making it happen. You'll get next-level training in mechanical and electrical repair, troubleshooting high-tech systems, precision tools and diagnostics, computer-based maintenance programs. You won't just fix things. You'll be the reason the lights come back on and the mission stays on track. And the real payoff can be in your civilian life. As a 91C, you'll gain in-demand job skills that translate into high-paying careers in HVAC and refrigeration, electrical maintenance, facility operations, building automation, and energy systems.
Just having the experience and learning, the trade, you'll be able to utilize it in your everyday life, not just the military.
With National Guard benefits, you'll also get tuition assistance for college or trade school, certifications that boost your resume, leadership skills employers look for. Want to power your future, build a real-world skill set, and serve with purpose? Then it's time to step up as a 91C Utilities Equipment Repair in the Army National Guard. Go to NationalGuard.com to get started today.